Hello, welcome back to 5.0. Today we're going to mill another plate, specifically wing plate. So wing plate basically is a plate that holds together the motion system, which is made of AC 400 watt servo motor and coupler. So here we can see the servo motor and here we can see the coupler. Between the coupler there is like a soft rubbery material which absorbs some shock from the acceleration on the movement of the machine. So wing plate basically is the part that holds all the other parts together. So the material itself is made of special Series 6 aluminum C250, which means that they are the strongest, most rigid and best in the market, and we use those parts for our machines. We're making more machines with the machine, so it's an infinite loop, and you are here with us to see creation of parts that in the end are gonna assemble into a machine. An actual robot. So yes, you got a little bit story over here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, subscribe, comment anything down below so we can get picked up by the algorithm of YouTube's algorithm, and more people can see this awesome content that we're creating out for you. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one. Ciao.